Welcome back guys, Mossy5734 back with an unboxing of some beauties that are rare, that have never really been seen on my channel, never made it on the display stand either guys. This is, oh my gosh, what is it, the Ferrari 575, I think. This is metallic guys, and you know, it's never been on the stand. It's a little beauty. I'm sure this came with pop-up lights as well. I had this in yellow, that was on the stand. This one's never ever had a chance to shine, so here we are, and that's a nice different type of blue. Okay, the yellow one had pop-up lights. This one doesn't seem to have them, or does it? Let me just check. Oh, it does. Pretty cool. I like the pop-up lights. Okay, and that's something you're not going to see every day guys, in real life and in Mini Zs. Okay, so that never really got its moment of glory, its 5 minutes of fame in the Mini Z world. Okay, and here's another one that never really got its time on the stand or anything like that, never got much love. And this is, it might be because it was quite an old one, but it never really got used guys. So this is the Lexus Tom's Super GT car, alright? And this has a really nice wide kind of stance on it guys. It just seems well set. It just seems nice. Pretty plain compared to the other versions that I've got. You know what? Oh man, I just realised I had a De Bono version or whatever that's never been on display stand either. Oh man, I'm gonna have to go dig that. I don't know where that is. Right? There's so, I mean guys, look at all these cars. They've never been on the display stand. There's so many of them, and there's more. Oh man, I can't be bothered. I'm finishing on this, but there are others as well. So yeah, check this little bad boy out on the display stand guys. So yeah, let him get his little 5-10 minutes of fame, and we can move on and get on with our lives. Yeah, I mean, I'm showing these, I might end up selling them off, so that's, you know, at least we've got to see them on the channel on the stand, and they got their little bit of glory. So cool. Let's move on guys. Here we've got the Ferrari F355 in metallic blue. So yep, so this is blue nut or blue swatters, whatever that means. I think it's produced in 2003. This is very rare guys, hard to get hold of. It's got the rear motor mount chassis. It's 90mm, the wheelbase on it. It'll fit, at the moment I've got it on a all-wheel drive chassis, so yeah, as long as the wheels aren't protruding, it should be alright. The stock wheels are front 1 narrow and the rear are 0.5 wide. And the stock wheels, I've got different wheels on. But the stock wheels are 5-spoke silver wheels. Okay, so basically the Ferrari F355 is a sports car that was built by Ferrari from 1994 to 1999. Okay, it was basically the evolution of the Ferrari 348, and later on this bad boy was replaced by the Ferrari 360. So this little machine has got the mid-engine, it's got rear wheel drive, it's V8 powered, it's a 2-seat coupe, and it's a convertible as well. They do it as a convertible. And so they basically improved performance on this little bad boy over a wide range of speeds and different environments, such as low speed city traffic. I had this in yellow as well guys. It was pretty cool in yellow. The yellow one had a spoiler on it, this one doesn't, but I quite like this one. It's definitely got that sparkle, it's got that beautiful blue metallic paintwork. So as a real car, this was, they basically increased the displacement in the engine to 3.5 litre from 3.4. It was a V8 engine, and 375 horsepower. I love reading the stats on the Ferraris guys, just to know how quick this little bad boy was, but I don't think I've got that to hand at the moment. But yeah, this little bad boy guys is fetching some pretty pennies because it's rare, you know. People that held on to these little bad boys, they're laughing. I don't know if you've seen guys, there's some really expensive Mini Zs with custom artwork. There's one with like an eagle on the bonnet, is that body shell, and it's selling for about £1,500. Crazy amount. There's actually 3 of them, and they're all the Ferrari F355s, and they've got custom artwork, and they are going for some crazy. That's probably that and the Nissan Skyline, you know, the old version. What's it called? It's that one that's got white, it's cream and blue. That one with the engine So it comes in a case with the engine with it. That's £1,500 as well. That's mental. So them are probably the most expensive Mini Zs I've seen. So that shell, for some reason, people took it away and customized that shell, and they came out with 3 beauties. The price tag is just nuts. But I suppose it's a one-off. I don't know why it's so expensive. Did Kyosho make it? I don't know. But it's custom artwork. It's been airbrushed, and it's beautiful, really nice. You probably see pics on it if you like Google the rarest Mini Zs, but it's looking mad. Okay guys, let's move on. Again guys, this little bad boy never really got much claim to fame, never got on the display stand, and it's pretty old. I got this a long time ago. The box, I don't know where I put the box. This I basically use bits and bobs, not amazingly well. Does handle pretty well because it's sat pretty wide. You could tell these cars are pretty, you know, pretty cool on the track. But yeah, this is the test version, guys, of the Lexus Toms, from what I remember, and it's in like a matte black, and the wheels are a matte black as well. It just looks stealth, looks mean, looks gnarly, guys. There's not many frills on that car. I love the way the exhaust sticks out at the back of the side sills. Just beautiful, beautiful. It's the simplicity is the beauty on this car, guys. There's nothing amazing going on to look at when it comes to the livery, but it's just got that kind of I don't know, man, mafia kind of gnarly, dark, stealth kind of look to it with the wheels as well. Anyhow, so yeah, thought I'd give that a whiz, guys, as it's never really had its 5 minutes of fame, and let's move on. So yeah, so these are pretty hard to get hold of now. Before, you could get them everywhere, but it's one of them cars that if it comes up, it's damaged. It's pretty rare you get it in really good condition. But yeah, they are nice. My favourite out of the Lexus ones is, I keep forgetting the names, the Blanco or something like that. And I'm thinking to myself, there's some I haven't put on the stand. That's one of them. That's a really nice shell, that is. There's the Pareto one, I can't remember, but there's that many of them. And I was thinking I haven't put my Fast and Furious cars on here. I've got other taxis I never put on here, but I'm not going to carry this on, guys. Maybe later on I might bring out the ones that I haven't done. This time, this is a box that I dug out, but I don't want to be doing this all over again. So we will see. Watch this space. But yeah, check out Small Beauties. Let's go.